Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, you see we got an issue, right? We're going to correct that, and we're going to correct it with style. Stay tuned. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is not a tutorial. What I'll be doing is showing you different ways to where you can enhance your vehicle, make it stand out from the rest. Your style, your choice, your flavor, man, you can pick any color you like. But with this color, we're gonna be going with the matte black. This customer wanted to do something different. They didn't want to full vinyl wrap their vehicle because they like the color that they currently have, but they wanted to make sure that they cover up what you see in this video. Those areas will not affect the vinyl wrap. As long as I make sure that I apply the right adhesion promoter and I do my prep work, I won't have any issues down the line. So we're gonna be going with something different. We're gonna be covering pretty much 4 panels. We're gonna be getting part of that rocker panel, the quarter panel, partial of the door, and we're gonna be doing partial of the rear bumper. We won't be taking it on top to the roof or anything, but you'll see the difference in the end. Matte black is what we're going with. So we're gonna be doing this to both sides. We're gonna take you along for the ride. So buckle up, y'all, let's go. This is where we stand right now. We got the lines down to where we're gonna place and cut our vinyl. So what we have here on the bumper, you got this line here. It's gonna cut everything this way. That's gonna be matte. This side is gonna be the same color of the vehicle. We're not gonna change that. So we got the matte here. Matte is gonna be all the way at the bottom, covering that. All the way to this point here. That's gonna be where it's gonna stop. And right here is where you're gonna have the same color of the car, matte, same color of the car, and then we jump back to our matte finish. The matte finish is gonna flush all the way over to this line, and we're gonna cut it here. And that's where everything is gonna stop. Now I outlined everything and got my lines together with this tape. You can use what you wanna use. Other people have different ways to where they create their lines. We got this side, same way. Gotta go ahead and finish this. Once I get this line down, I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything as far as the alcohol, and then we're gonna lay down the vinyl. Thank y'all for checking out this video. See you on the next one.